guys, welcome back to my channel. As I had already told in one of my previous video that I'm going to do a accessories and beauty tools haul video. So this video is all about that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So most of the items are from Forever 21 and some are from other stores. This time when I went to Forever 21, I got this pretty hat and this is really cute, and most of the important thing is that I got it on sale. So this was originally for 1189. I got it for 800. So yeah, it's a steal and I really love this one. Like, and it's this paddle brush and oops. So the next item that I got from Forever 21 is this paddle brush, and this is a really good one. Like, the quality is really good and I got it for 329 rupees, which is a good deal. So I really like it and I'm currently using it. So the next item I got from Forever 21 is this loofah, and this is a pink in color. Actually, I ran out of my previous one, so I got this. I like Forever 21 loofahs. I mean, the quality is really good, so I bought it. The price of this loofah is 129 rupees. The next item I got is this eyelash curler. I really like the heart shape over here, and the color is light purple, so I really liked it and that's why I bought it. This retailed for around 200 rupees. This item is a facial cleanser, and this is a really soft and gentle facial cleanser. This is like a hole here, so you can place your finger and then you can hold it like that, and then you can put your cleanser over here and then rub it lightly, and it will give a really soothing cleansing effect. I'm currently using it and I'm obsessed with it. So the next thing that I got is this pink egg, and this egg is basically for cleansing your makeup brushes. So this is basically an egg on which you can clean your makeup brushes. So you just have to put some cleansing oil or lotion onto your makeup brushes and then rub it onto the egg, and then it will clean your makeup brushes really well. Really. The next item I got from Forever 21 are these eyebrow razors. So actually I saw someone using this in one of YouTube video. So I decided that I need to go to the Forever 21 and then I should buy it. So I got these eyebrow razors. There are two razors in it, and I got this for 149 rupees. You have to go somewhere and your eyebrows are not done, so you can use these razors to shape your eyebrows. So yeah, I got them and I'm looking forward to use them. Last thing that I got from Forever 21 are these pair of socks, and actually there are 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 pair of shocks. What? My hairs are all around, man. So there are 5 pairs of socks and I got these for 400 rupees, so it's a good deal. Next I got this makeup bag, and this is a pretty white color makeup bag with a tassel on the chain, and it's written Skin by Titan over here. I got it from a local store and I got it for 200 rupees, and it's really cute. I mean, it's a huge space inside. It looks really small, but inside there is a huge space, so you can put your makeup. I got this from a local while you are traveling, and then you can travel with this. I got these pair of shoes. I got these from Lavi. Actually the original price is 3000, but I got them for 1800 rupees. So these are pretty red chunky heels and I really loved it. So the next shoes I got from Mochi. These are white heels with like this kind of chunky heels, can go with each and every outfit, and the original price was 1690 rupees and I got it for 1000 rupees. So the last item that I got in this sale time is one of my favorite, and this is this huge tote bag from UCD. This cute bag, and This is of white color with a tan base, and also the stripe is tan, and there is a heart here with, and it's written Benetton over here. You are traveling somewhere and you just have to keep one bag with yourself apart from your luggage, then you can keep this and you can put all your necessary items into it, and you can use this while traveling. It also comes with a string, so you can either wear it as a shoulder bag or you can wear it as a sling bag. Zipper is like this, so you just open like this, and inside it's huge. And one of the best thing is that inside it's really pretty. I mean, these polka dots looks really good, and also it has a chain compartment over here. So it's a chain compartment over here, and there is a small pocket over here, so you can keep your cards, chillers, or chiller. What? I really love this one, and this is one of my favorite. Did I tell the price? Okay. So this was originally for 3,000 bucks and I got it for 1,800 rupees. सब बताया ना मैंने, सबके प्राइस भी बताई, इसके 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 भी बताई, इसकी प्राइस भी बताई. Done. I'm done.